Best paints for writing on walls. Whiteboard paint versus chalkboard paint and more. What kind of paint can you write on? They include whiteboard paint, chalkboard paint, whiteboard overlays or wall coverings, and dry erase wall panels or boards. Of these alternatives, whiteboard paint offers the most significant cost-effectiveness and ease of application. Pros and cons. Whiteboard versus chalkboard versus traditional wall paint. Whiteboard paint is reasonably priced, dust-free, long-lasting, attractive, and easy to write on and erase. Chalkboard paint produces a dusty environment when written on and is available in only limited color options, all of which are in the dark range. Traditional wall paint is not writable, so it requires the application of overlays or panels to create a functional writing surface. Surface compatibility and durability. Ideal walls for installing whiteboard paint are those that are completely smooth and free of cracks, holes, bumps, and low areas. Best paint based on use requirements. Remarkable whiteboard paint is best for use in classrooms, kids' rooms, workspaces, and any other place where high-performance, non-toxic, long-lasting whiteboard walls are needed. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoating.com.